got a treat for you. You talk about a really cool disco era Camaro, and this thing is cool no matter which area you look at. Got the cold air hood on it, and you know, a lot of these were fake, but that one, the cold air scoops actually were functional on these cars. You don't see that very often on these Z28s. Even down to the side pipes, man, you don't get much more cooler or disco than that. Check this out. White with the gold stripes. What a cool car. And there's something really special about this car. I'll show you in just a second. You'll know why it trips my trigger. It's just, not only is it the side pipes, but it is a 3-pedal car. Check that out. 4-speed. Anybody that keeps up with the channel knows that you know, this is the kind of stuff I like, especially pulling the gears in one. 4-speed car. The owner was nice enough to let me do a walk around on it. I think he's fixing to fire it up. You can hear this thing cackle. Oh yeah. Man, there's nothing like the sound of side pipes. Golly. What a cool car. Sometimes you just have to catch them when you see them. This one rolled up at the gas pumps when I stopped for lunch here on this adventure of delivering the 64 880 and run into this one. Man, what a cool car. Appreciate it, bud. Have a good one. Thank you. Check it out. Them cars set low. Man, just got to be ready when you find them. That's a perk for the adventure right there. Nice looking Camaro and a 4-speed car too. All right, we about ready to get back on the road. See if we can't go ahead and get this to the new owner. He's waiting patient.